drive the 2020 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers and is priced below $35,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, roof rails, front spoiler, traction control, stability control, braking assist, power brakes, autonomous braking, rear view camera, audio radio, touch screen display. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.